Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and also Huawei AM61 Sport earbuds, and I will show you how you can connect these two devices. So the first, you have to grab your earbuds and click and hold this button and move them into the pairing mode. When this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue color, it means that we can release that key. So let's make it. Okay. Right now we have to go for the boot settings on our Note 10 Lite. Find available devices and tap on the AM61. Now just be patient and wait. Okay, here we got some kind of a problem that we couldn't connect. Let's try to click here another time. If it's going to happen again, we are going to move them to the pairing mode another time. Okay, don't worry, just click and hold middle button to turn them off. Okay, and right now do the same to move them into the pairing mode. Keep holding. Right now we can release. Click to scan again. And click on the AM61 to pair them. As you can see right now, we have to accept pair in the right bottom corner, and after a few moments, we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.